We don't know who leaked the draft of the Supreme Court opinion that overturns Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey. Was it a clerk, a justice? Well, either way, is someone going to jail? Well, the Supreme Court operates in secret. Famously, they don't even allow cameras or video recording during oral argument. But nothing the Supreme Court does is classified, and it doesn't appear that there's any specific law that makes the leak illegal. And leaks have happened in the Supreme Court before. The Roe decision itself was leaked before it was public, as was the decision in Dred Scott, and there are a bunch of books from after the fact from insiders and clerks like Eddie Lazarus and Jeffrey Toobin. So Supreme Court leaks happen, but they are pretty rare. This one might be the most public, and Justice Roberts' head is certainly going to explode, but there may not be any criminal liability for someone who did it. So to paraphrase law professor Steve Vladeck, the leak is a story, but it's not the story.